In 10 minutes, let's find out how amazing these homemade protein cereal bars taste. So look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Welcome back to the Superhuman Kitchen. And today we are putting protein bars out of business. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a delicious 4-ingredient homemade protein bar that is way cheaper, tastes better, and even has better macros than the protein bars you are buying. This recipe today, 237 calories and 18 grams of protein per protein bar, and it's so incredibly easy to make. All you need is a delicious protein powder, your favorite cereal, some peanut butter, and some sugar-free syrup. So step number 1 is you're gonna get a large mixing bowl, and you're gonna take 1 cup of cereal. So I'm actually making 2 different flavors. I'm gonna see which one tastes better. So I'm gonna take 1 cup of Fruity Pebbles cereal. And the most important part of this recipe is you need a delicious protein powder. So I'm using Anabolic Pebbles Superhuman Protein, the perfect protein flavor to pair with the Fruity Pebbles cereal. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna put in 1 scoop of protein powder. Recommend, of course, Superhuman Protein. And this part's a little messy.
Few moments later.
Just gonna mix in the cereal, the protein. You're gonna make sure it's evenly distributed. Boom. So this one's ready to go. Let's move on to the Cocoa Puffs. So next up, we are making the Cocoa Puffs version. So step number 1, put in that 1 cup of Cocoa Puff cereal and put in a scoop of Cocoa Puffs protein powder. So once again, having the right protein powder is so important. So this is a chocolate cereal protein. It's gonna go perfect in this recipe. So
later,
we're almost to the finish line. And step number 2 is we gotta make that superhuman glue to hold this together. So we got the cereal mixture over here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get a new bowl. Now measure out with a food scale, 60 grams of sugar-free syrup. So this is Walden Farm syrup. Put this in the bowl. Good to go. You're gonna take 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. So this actually a high protein version of peanut butter. It has 10 grams. Most peanut butter has 7 grams of protein. So snuck in a few extra grams of protein in there. So what you're gonna do now, I'm gonna do this for both bowls since I'm making 2 flavors. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to microwave this for 45 seconds, mix it all up, combine it with the protein cereal mixture. So pull the protein mixture out of the microwave. So this one's ready to go. Of course, I'm making 2 bowls because I'm making 2 flavored protein bars. So it's ready to go and you kind of got this syrupy peanut butter texture. Let's mix the other one. Should mix really easy after 45 seconds in the microwave. So far, I've only spent a few minutes on this recipe and we're at the final stage. We're gonna pour this mixture right into the anabolic cereal concoctions. These are ready to go. So we got the Cocoa Puffs over here, the Fruity Pebbles over here. We're gonna put this mixture right in here. Look at that. It's gonna be the best protein bar you guys have ever had. This is gonna make 2 protein bars right here that each have 237 calories and 18 grams of protein. So this one's good to go. Now let's make the Cocoa Puffs mixture. Pour this in.
A few minutes later.
So look at this amazingness right here, only 4 total ingredients. Using your hands on this part is probably gonna be the easiest. Yes, it's messy. If you have plastic gloves, I definitely recommend that.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we got the Anabolic Pebbles mixture right here. And what you're gonna do is, you're just gonna form it into the shape of a protein bar. So however you want that bar to look, literally make whatever shape you want, but get it nice and firm. You see everything sticking together. And this is the final step before we put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. So little protein bar right here. Look at that amazingness. So I got a few pebbles left. Put these on top right here. And I'm gonna prepare the Cocoa Puffs. We're gonna put this in the freezer for 10 minutes and see how it tastes. So we are almost ready to roll and put these in the freezer. So I'm forming the last little protein bar here. Just enough room. So look at that. Delicious Cocoa Puffs. Actually, it's a chocolate peanut butter cereal bar since there's chocolate cereal protein and peanut butter mixture in here. So look at that. We got the Fruity Pebbles. We got the Cocoa Puffs. Now, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put these in the freezer for 10 minutes and they should be ready to roll. So we are ready to roll. Put these bad boys in the freezer for 10 total minutes. So Slide them on in there, and I will see you guys in 10 minutes. So while we're waiting for those protein bars in the freezer, comment down below where you are from. And I'm gonna select one person who comments in the first 24 hours of this video being live to win a full-size tub of either Cocoa Puffs or Anabolic Pebbles Superhuman Protein, whatever flavor you want. And if you don't win, you're still a winner because you can simply tap the link down below or go to elfline.com and get 30% off your first tub of Superhuman Protein using the special discount code YouTubeFam. So a whey protein isolate actually is the highest quality protein source on the planet, rated a perfect 100 out of 100 on the protein digestibility corrected amino acid scale. Very fancy scientific lingo that basically means that whey protein isolate is utilized by your body very easily. So it's gonna help you recover faster, build muscle faster, and it's the perfect protein source. So this recipe today is using nothing but the best muscle building ingredients. It's been 10 minutes, let's find out how amazing these homemade protein cereal bars taste. So look at this. Look at that. Look at that. So I don't know which one I want to try first. You know what? Let's try this Cocoa Puffs. I know I'm gonna be impressed. Oh, it tastes like Bigfoot's dick! Guys, got some homemade protein bars. You know you should be eating 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Really delicious. Come on. Mmm. Damn it, the cat doesn't even want it. I'm gonna ask people finishing their workout which protein they think tastes better. America's best-selling protein or Superhuman Protein?
That tastes more flavorful, to be honest.
More flavorful?
Yeah.
Superhuman Protein wins again.
Yeah, this is kind of bland compared to this one, so.
This one? That's not the one you've been taking. That's Superhuman Protein.
This one has Superhuman?
Yeah.
Right on. What was that about?
A lot better.
I prefer the second one.
Okay. Second one. What would you rate it 1 through 10?
9.
9?
Yeah.
Superhuman Protein 5 and 0.
Perfect protein.
Yeah.
This is something that I would definitely purchase.